Yes, well, dear friends, in today's class, let us discuss about that human development indicator. In last class, we already discussed about that how can we measure the development, is it? So, already we discussed about the income, is it? On the basis of the income, how we measure the development, but these national income and also the per capita income are not true measure to measure the development. We determined about that already, is it? So we divided into the two parts. The first one is the on the basis of the income we where it is measure the development, and alternatives. So on that alternatives, that is the human development indicator is the one to measure the development of the country. It is the one of the measure to what is indicator now measure the development of the country. Yes, here the main intention of the all economic progress is to ensuring the fundamental need to its country citizen, is it? It means to provide the decent to provide the fundamental amenities. Afterwards, how the people are leading their decent life decently. So this is called what it is, economical progress. So nowadays we can see all countries are welfare country. They want to achieve the welfare country. So for that purpose, all countries want to ensure the fundamental amenities to its country citizen, is it? So it's a very necessary fundamental amenities like the food, water, shelter, health hygiene facility, is it? A health hygiene facility. Afterwards, pure water, pure air and good environment, is it? So and clothing, education, these are all come under the basic amenities, is it? So every government is very interested to provide these type of the all basic amenities to its country citizen. Is the very necessary to lead the decent life, is it? So afterwards, the standard of living is also increased by providing these things. So here, every country try to provide this type of the what it is basic amenities to its country citizen. Yes, then what is this HDI? Is it? How can we measure the development of the country by this HDI? Is it? Here we can see that Amartya Sen is an Indian economist. He gives some ideology for measure the development of human being. Is it? So here the Pakistan economist is called Mehboob ul Haq. What is the Mehboob ul Haq economics? Pakistani economist. He takes the idea under the ideas of the Amartya Sen. He mentioned the 3 points to measure the development of the country or measure the human development. Okay, so on the basis of that we can measure the human development. So what are those according to the Mehboob ul Haq? So already Amartya Sen given the 2 points. So what are they? Leading healthy long life. What is leading healthy long life? Afterwards, the purchasing power. Amartya Sen given the ideas about the leading long life. Afterwards, having income to purchasing. Is it? So this on the basis of these two ideas, Mehboob ul Haq is given the 3 ideas. In a sense, 3 points to measure the human development means HD. Okay, human development. So what are those according to the Mehboob ul Haq? Ability to lead the healthy and long life being literate. What it is? Ability to lead the healthy and long life is the one thing. What is ability to lead the long life? How long human being, how long person living. So on the basis of he start to measure the development. Then second one is the being literate. Being literate, and third one is the having income to purchasing minimum amenities. What is having income to purchase the minimum amenities? Okay, so on the basis of 3, what is we can see that HD, he gives the HD. What is the HDI here? HDI means what? Ability to lead the healthy and long life, being literate and having income to purchase the minimum amenities is called, the calculation of these 3 is called the HDI. Okay, so this is given by the Mehboob ul Haq, Pakistani economist, under the guidance, under the ideas of Amartya Sen. Is it? He is the great Indian economist. He got the Nobel Prize. Okay, you know, dear students, only in the social science subject, in a sense, in the social science group, economics only getting the Nobel Prize. No one other subjects. Okay, but it is for the only science subjects are getting the Nobel prizes, but here in the social science, this economic subject only getting the Nobel prize. Understand this? So such a valuable subject it is. So here we can see that according to the Mehboob Ulhaq, he given the three points to measure the HD. Okay, this is called the HDI. Yes, here. Then this is called the HD. Then how can we measure the HD? How can we measure this on these 3 points? In a sense, on the basis of income, we measure the development. But how can we measure this type of the health and long life, then income and purchasing power and being literacy rate? How can we measure this? So, this HD measurement is given by the UNDP. What it is? UNDP. United Nations Development Program. So, according to this, it gives the HDI. Here, Mehboob Ulhaq given the 3 ideas how to measure the human development. He given for the what is HD only, human development, how to measure the human development. But here, United Nations Development Program UNDP is provide the HDI on the basis of these 3 points. Okay, these 3 points it measure the development of the country on the basis of HD. So we call HDI. HDI means Human Development Indicator. UNDP provides the HDI. This is the 1 marks question. Okay, then next is already we know that what is the meaning of HD. HD means these 3 things: ability to lead the healthy and long life, being literate, having the income and purchasing minimum amenities. Is calculation of these 3 ideas is called the HDI. Yes, then next is UNDP provide the HDI according to these 3 matters. It measures the development of the country. How it is? So apart from that, ability to have the healthy and long life, it states like the life expectancy. But it is according to the ability to lead the healthy and long life, it takes this point as it is life expectancy. Okay, ability to long healthy life means what? Life expectancy. It take another meaning. Then being literate, literary attainments. What it is? Being literate, literary as attainment. Then afterwards, having income to purchasing minimum amenities is considered as the per capita income. Okay, then how can we calculate these 3 as the HDI? By the development. Yes, let us discuss about by one. Life expectancy. What is the life expectancy here? Life expectancy means how long man living in a country. In a sense, in our country, people how long they are living is called the life expectancy. Until which year the minimum age of the death is it? For example, our country life expectancy is 65.8 years. So what it is? 65.8 years we can live in our country. Such a good environment we have in our country. Is it? So life expectancy is the what it is? We can measure the HDI. How can we measure the HDI? By the life expectancy, by the literacy attainment and preparation. What is per capita income? Is it? So this is a 3 marks question. HDI is measure the human development. Is the measure the development or human development of a country. How is it? You should write these 3 points and explain. So what are those HDI? First one is the HDI measured by the 3 points, that is the life expectancy, literacy attainment and per capita income. So first one is the life expectancy. Life expectancy means how long people living in a country is called the life expectancy. Is it? So how can we improve the life expectancy? We can improve our life expectancy by providing the good health, hygiene facilities, food, shelter, water, all basic amenities to the people. By that only we can have the good life expectancy. Is it? So if you have the any diseases, not availability of the food, is it, and clothing, shelter, we not having this, we suffer from the various diseases, so we can't live the long life. So if the country is ensured or provide these basic amenities, long life, pure water, pure air, good environment, Is it health, hygiene facilities? So these are all the main things to get the long live. Okay, so long life. So it is called the life expectancy. Is it how long people live in a country is called the life expectancy is very important. Our country life expectancy is 65.8 years. Is here. The literacy attainment. Literacy attainment means what it is? How much literate are there in the country? How much literate are the country? Then between the above the 25 years, how many are getting schooling? Is it? So how many are educated above 20 years? Is it? Then presently how many are getting education above 5 years? Okay, but it is about 25 years, how many people getting the schooling? People got the schooling, is it? Then how many people are getting education above 5 years? So through that we calculate the literacy rate. So if the country have the more literacy rate, that country can developed country. Which country have the low literacy rate, that country is the underdeveloping or middle developing country or developing country. Okay. Yes, means literacy attainment means how many people attain the schooling. About 25 years people, all the people, how many are attain the education, in a sense schooling. Then present 5 years, above 5 years, how many children attaining the schooling. So this is called the literacy attainment. Then next is the per capita income. Per capita income is very necessary here because of to lead the decent life. It is very necessary to having the particular per capita income. Already in last class we have discussed about that. What is the per capita income? Per capita income is a person income. Is it? We can calculate this per capita income. Total national income divided by the total population in a given year is called what it is? Per capita income. Is it? So per capita income. If the per capita income is high in the country, in a sense a person income is high, not only a person, how many population is there, not that much people, how they have the per capita income. If the per capita income is high, we consider that country is a developed country. Which country have the very low per capita income and they are not getting the meals at twice, that the country is also considered as the backward country. Okay, so on the basis of life expectancy, literacy, then per capita income, we can measure the HDI. These are the 3 points to measure the HDI. Okay, so what is the question? HDI, how we can measure the HDI? We can measure the HDI by the life expectancy explanation, literacy explanation and per capita income explanation. You should write this for 3 marks. Understand this? Yes, then by this HDI, what is by this HDI we can calculate that. What is we can calculate and compare the human development of the one country to another country, and we can calculate our country development. Let us discuss about that. In according to the 2014 survey here, our country HDI is 0.586. What is 0.586? But here it ranked 135th place out of 187. What is it ranked 135 place in the 187 out of 187 countries. And here UNDP is divided the countries on the basis of this human development indicator HDI. What is on the basis of the HDI? UNDP is divided the country into the 3 parts. So what are those HDI high countries? What is HDI high countries? Which country have the high HDI? That country is called the developed country. Okay, and HDI medium country. In a sense, which country have the medium HDI? That country is called the medium developing country. Then HDI low country. In a sense, which country have the low HDI? That country is called the underdeveloped countries. Okay, so likewise we can see that HDI is divided into the 3 parts: high HDI, middle HDI, or medium HDI, and HDI low. Okay, let's discuss about that. How is our life expectancy, in the sense our country life expectancy, and also the literacy attainment. Then next is the per capita income of our country. Yes, here we see that in the period of the 2012, our country HDI is, in a sense, our country HDI is 0.554. Our country HDI is 0.554. 554 and it ranked 136th out of 186 countries. What is it? Ranked 136th in out of 186. What is the life expectancy of our country peoples? Already I said that is the 65.8 years of life expectancy we have in our country. What is 65.8 years life expectancy we have in our country? Then what is the per capita income of our country? Our country per capita income is $3,203. What is $3,203 of per capita income we have in our country? Then what is the average of literacy rate? Literacy rate of our country is 4.4 average year of the schooling. What is average year of the schooling people? Every year they are getting the education 4.4 average year of the scoring according to this 2012 census. Then next is we can see that up to 1980 to 2012. What is 1980 to 2012? In between our HDI is increasing. Is it in the period of 1980 our country HDI is 0.344. That is in the period of 1980 our country HDI is 0.344. But here we can see that in the period of 2012 our this HDI is increased like 0.554. Okay, so it is increasing year by year. In a sense, HDI is increasing our country year by year up to 1980 to 2012. Now also it is increasing. But our country HDI is very low comparing to the top 10 countries. It is very necessary to ensure the fundamental basic amenities to our country citizen. This is all about the HDI. Okay.